The Australian rate meeting is taking place next week on May 20th, and that could potentially cause a reversal in the euro Australian dollar. So with that in mind, let's take a look. So a couple of days ago, we were looking at the euro Aussie, and we wanted to showcase once more how we can use multiple time frame analysis to try to understand where we could be heading. And the general idea with multiple time frame analysis is that we combine the big picture with the short term. And the idea is that when the short term aligns with the big picture, that's when we will turn bullish. The benefit of that strategy is that it avoids a situation where potentially the short term trend becomes the dominant trend. The drawdown, of course, is that you come in a little bit later in terms of the entry. And here's a typical example of this where you had a very strong push up higher. This is on the back of sort of at the peaks here is when we had a highest amount of tariffs against China and the rest of the world. And then as things have improved, this has gone down. And here, for example, in a normal market, as soon as you hit these levels like here, the market would quickly reversal. And it sort of has bounced, but hasn't really bounced that strongly. So that's more, this is a prime example where time frame analysis, multiple time frame analysis becomes more relevant. So the way this stands right now is that we're creating these lower highs, and this on a 12-hour chart hasn't been confirmed yet. But the way it looks like, I would argue that this could potentially be confirmed. So if this looks like this come Monday with a bearish candle, then this would become the new swing high. And the idea here is that the trend would still be bearish, but on the break to this level, it would confirm that we have a reversal. So for example, push above and then down and then up. So the different ways of managing this, one would be to buy. People would usually put the stop loss down here. Alternatively, they look to buy the dip, and then maybe at one point say that we just go down a little bit. Maybe we have a higher low here that we could use as a stop level for this type of trade.